Okay kasigurista, imagine this. Isang emergency, isang ICU confinement, or isang unexpected critical illness. Ang tanong, kaya ba ng savings mo? Or ng current HMO mo? If you can't give me a straight yes, then I want you to listen to what I'll be sharing right now. Allow me to introduce Medical Secure by Manulife. It's a yearly renewable health insurance plan that gives you solid protection against big and unexpected medical bills. So from emergency, hospitalization, hanggang critical illness procedures, covered. So meron tong tatlong variants, depende sa lifestyle and budget mo. So we have the 1 million coverage per year, the 2.5 million coverage per year, and the 5 million coverage per year. So today, let me show you a sample proposal. So let's have Juan de la Cruz as our sample insured. So 30 years old. So for this case, pinili niya yung 1 million variant. Okay, so full cover, no deductible. So ibig sabihin, wala siyang kailangan bayaran out of pocket kapag na-confine siya. Especially if he goes to value care accredited clinics or hospitals. Okay? So, ito yung importante dito, yung tinatawag nating deductible, di ba? So, if you have an HMO, pwede nating i-adjust ang plan para bumaba ang premium mo dramatically, okay? By applying a deductible. Parang i-declare mo lang yung current or active na HMO coverage mo. Okay? So, now, let's talk about the premium or let's talk about numbers. So, si Juan de la Cruz, 30 years old. So, with the 1 million coverage, okay, per year. So, ang premium niya dito is 25,572. Okay? So, that is less than 2,500 per month kung magma-monthly mode siya. Okay? Affordable, di ba? So, sa ganitong halaga, secured ang 1 million coverage niya for the year. And take note, okay? This plan is renewable yearly. Okay? So, premiums might slightly increase as you age. Pero syempre, transparent yan. Nakalagay naman dito sa proposal yan. And meron namang notice bago mag-renewal. Okay? And payment modes, yes, meron tayong option. We have the semi-annual, quarterly, and monthly. So, paano kapag meron kang HMO? So, magkakaroon tayo ng deductible. So, let me show you sample figures. So, if you have 100,000 HMO coverage, premium can go down to 18,000 pesos per year, as you can see here. And kung 150,000 HMO coverage naman, it can go as low as 16,000 pesos per year. And kung mas malaki ang coverage mo na active sa HMO, so magiging, o kung sabihin natin 200,000 HMO coverage, it will be as low as a little over 15,000 per year. Okay? So, this plan, it works with or without HMO. Okay? Just want to highlight that one. Okay? Remember, this plan has no savings component. Pure protection lang siya. Pero every peso goes to benefits you can actually use. So, ang mahalaga, covered ka dahil medical emergencies don't wait. Okay? So, you can really fit this into your budget just like any subscription. Okay? Very affordable. Ang laki ng coverage nyo. So, let's dive into the coverage. So, si Juan de la Cruz, if ever na ma-confine siya, okay, ito ang kasama sa plan niya. So, covered within the 1 million annual benefit limit. Okay? So, sa room and board, up to 5,000 pesos per day. Hospital charges, laboratories, x-ray, operating room, yung mga supplies, kasama yan. ICU, recovery room, kasama yan. Doctors and professional fees, yung mga surgeons natin, anesthesiologists, kasama yan. Okay? Even yung land ambulance, okay? So, up to 3,000 pesos per ride. Okay, and that is via reimbursement yan. Okay? Yung pre and post hospitalization, yung 60-day before the confinement and 60-day after the confinement. Siyempre, meron din mga expenses yan, yung, like yung mga laboratory, yung mga test, and yung mga medicine na prescribe ng mga doctors, covered yan by reimbursement. Okay? And here's the best part. Okay? So, cashless tayo sa value care, accredited clinics and hospitals. Pero kung hindi accredited ang hospital, pwede pa rin, okay, via reimbursement. So, this plan covers what matters. So, para isipin nyo na lang magpagaling. Okay? So, now, let's talk about big ticket medical needs. Ito ang hindi usually sakop ng basic health, health cards or HMOs, pero dito kasama sa Medical Secure. So, ito yung mga full procedures na covered up to 1 million peso limit or yung annual benefit limit natin na 1 million. Okay? So, siyempre kasama dyan yung heart surgery, angioplasty, so lahat yan kasama, kidney dialysis, chemotherapy para sa mga cancer treatments, radiotherapy, CT scan, MRI, 2D echo, ultrasound, laparoscopic and arthroscopic surgeries, gastroscopy, mammogram, bone scan, ito kasama yan. And ang dami pa. Okay, I just mentioned some of the most popular na procedures. Okay? Okay. So, pero syempre, may mga specific limits din para sa ibang procedures. Okay, meron tayong konting procedures na may limit. Like yung PET scan, up to 10,000 pesos. Organ transplant, up to 200,000 pesos. Okay? Siyempre, dito to sa 1 million na annual benefit limit na variant. I'm talking about this. Okay? So, sa ibang mga variant, pwedeng mas mataas kasi nga percentage. So, eye laser treatment, okay, like yung mga glaucoma and other retinal issues, up to 10% of annual benefit limit or yung, in this case, 1 million pesos. I mean, 100,000 pesos. I'm sorry. Okay? So, cryosurgery, 1,000 pesos per area. Okay, just remember, letter of authorization is needed para covered ka, hassle-free, para wala nang abala. Okay? So, ito yung klase ng coverage na dapat meron ka. Kasi hindi naman natin kung kailan aatake ang accident or sakit. Diba? So, now, kasasabi ko nga lang, yung emergencies are unpredictable. So, kaya dito, meron kasama tong, syempre, yung emergency treatment with or without confinement kasi hindi naman lahat ng emergency, di ba? Pinapa-confine ng mga doktor, minsan pinapa-uwi din. So, covered yun. Pareho, okay? With or without confinement. So, covered up to your 1 million limit. Even accident-related emergency, sasabi ko lang na not leading to confinement, pasok yan. Plus, meron ding 100,000 pesos life insurance benefit. Syempre ito, mas magagamit ito ng mga tito and tita stage na nagmo-monitor na ng kanilang health. Yung annual physical exam, so full package, so kasama dyan yung mga CBC, X-ray, ECG, FBS, cholesterol, okay, saka yung mga kidney and liver test, pasok dyan, okay? And also ito, maganda to, yung 24/7 teleconsultation, so you can access this anytime, anywhere, okay? So hindi mo na kailangang mag-Google or mag-ChatGPT para malaman yung condition mo. You just have to pick up the phone and go to your app para magkaroon ka ng consultation or online or video consultation with your with the accredited doctors or mga members natin dito sa teleconsultation dito na benefit. Okay? So kumbaga, this plan isn't just for worst case scenarios. Okay? It also promotes preventive care. Okay? But syempre, a few things to to highlight here. These are the things that you need to know para klaro tayo, okay? But just to sum up everything here. So, who wants coverage is 1 million per year, 1 million pesos per year with this variant. And syempre, deductible wala kasi wala siyang dineclare dito ng HMO. And this is renewable yearly until age 75. Walang medical exam ang kailangan kada renewal. So, pag apply mo na-approve ka, kada renew mo every year, you just have to pay for the premium and covered ka pa rin. So, no cash value, okay? Pure protection lang talaga to. Okay? Siyempre, cashless Value Care Network, yung mga Value Care accredited hospitals and clinics, wala na tayong ilalabas na pera. Okay? Pero siyempre, yung mga non-accredited, huwag mag-alala kasi reimbursement, pwede naman. Okay? So, lahat yan transparent, wala tayong tinatagong terms dito. Again, kung meron kang HMO, we can lower the premium by applying deductible. So, pinakita ko naman yung table kanina. Okay, kung paano magbabago yung premiums natin kapag meron tayong active or existing na HMO coverage. Okay? So, let's clarify something important. Ito yung waiting periods and yung mga pre-existing conditions. Ito yung parte ng mga health or yung mga life insurance policy na hindi gaanong naiintindihan ng mga clients. Okay? So, we have here 30-day waiting period para sa most illnesses. Okay, pero syempre, ang maganda dito, yung mga aksidente and even dengue and rabies, mga kagat ng aso, covered agad yan from day 1. Okay, remember that, day 1, covered agad yan. Meron din tayong ilang mga certain conditions, mga serious conditions na nire-require na 12-month waiting period. Okay, ano to yung mga conditions na to? Ito yung mga hypertension, diabetes, asthma, syempre yung cancer, kidney or liver disease, okay? Yung mga reproductive illnesses, spine issues, yan yung mga conditions na that require 12-month waiting period. So if you have this condition and you declare them, Manulife will assess and they may cover after 12 months, or they can also exclude depende sa condition, kung sa severity ng condition. Okay? So honesty is key para di ma-deny ang claims. Okay? So ang tip ko dito, get covered while you are healthy. So do not wait until na meron ka na nararamdaman. So maganda yan. Timing is or kumbaga getting one for yourself as early as possible better. Okay? So sa mga nagtatanong, bakit kailangan ng waiting period? Simple lang. Remember, insurance is protection for the unexpected. So kung walang waiting period, may ibang tao na kukuha ng plan, tapos may sakit na pala, then magpa-file ng claim. So that would be unfair sa ibang or sa mga policy holders that are faithfully paying their premiums before getting sick. Okay? So the 30-day waiting period helps the company make sure that the client is not already in treatment or hiding a current illnesses or illness. Okay? And yung 12-month waiting period naman for specific illnesses, so nagkakaroon tayo ng ganito because conditions like diabetes, cancer, hypertension, kidney problems, they usually develop over time. So these are high risk and high cost illnesses, so the company needs time to manage that risk fairly. So hindi to punishment sa mga client. It is to protect the sustainability of the plan. And once na nalampasan mo naman yung waiting period mo, fully covered ka na. Okay? Remember, yung 30-day waiting period is just for most illnesses. Okay? And then yung 12-month na waiting period, ito yung mga serious na illnesses like yung na-mention ko nga yung mga cancer and mga diabetes. Okay? But remember this, accidents, dengue, and rabies are covered from day one. Kasi hindi naman natin yan pwedeng planuhin. So, ang tip dito, as I mentioned, apply while you are healthy para habang safe pa, secured ka na. Okay? So, now, let's talk about what is not covered. Okay? Ito yung mga exclusion para no surprises. Okay? So, yung mga pre-existing conditions na hindi declared, illnesses diagnosed during waiting period, cosmetic surgery, mga surgery na not medically necessary, fertility treatments, mental disorders, obesity treatment, routine vision needs like glasses or LASIK, yung mga yun, hindi kasama yan. Yung war, military injuries, reckless behavior, yung mga self-inflicted injuries, excluded lahat yan. Yung drug abuse, STDs, saka yung HIV and AIDS, excluded. Okay? Saka yung mga professional and extreme sports injury, unless approved, hindi siya covered. Okay, so bottom line here, the exclusions are reasonable, and as long as honest tayo during the application, you are in good hands. Okay, so before we close, ito mahalaga yung part na to sa proposal. Ito yung confirmation ng client, or sa case na to si Juan de la Cruz, that he read and understood the plan. Okay, so lahat ng conditions and benefits were explained clearly, and that Juan de la Cruz knows that premiums may change as he ages. Okay, so nagbabago yung premium slightly, merong adjustment per year. Pero nakalagay naman sa proposal yan. Okay, sobrang maliit lang na adjustment. So, and also that Juan de la Cruz answered all applications questions faithfully or truthfully. Okay, and syempre as your advisor, I also confirm that everything was presented honestly and accurately, so no false promises, just real protection tayo dito. Okay? So, kasigurista, let me ask you this. Do you want 1 million coverage or 5 million coverage per year? Okay? Para ma-cover yung mga unexpected na medical bills? Do you want cashless hospitalization, annual checkups, yung mga 24/7 access to doctors? Do you want peace of mind, knowing you are protected even when the unexpected happens? So kung ang sagot mo dito ay yes, tatlong check, then Medical Secure is the plan for you. Okay? So message me today and schedule an online meeting. If you are from Metro Manila and nearby municipalities, we can do face-to-face meetings. Okay? So let's get your protection started habang healthy ka pa. Again, my name is Jake Simeon, also known as Mr. Sigurista. So let's protect your future before the emergency happens. Thank you.